In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use that preview app on your iPhone, which is going to allow you to edit PDFs, images, scan documents, and so much more. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. And we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But obviously, first things first, you are going to need to open up that preview app. If for whatever reason you don't have it, just download it from the App Store. Just type in preview. Once you do open up that preview app, it should immediately start and look something like this. What you could do is either import a new document or you can scan a document. It's completely up to you. Or if you already have documents that you want to go ahead and edit, scroll through here, find whatever one you would like. Select it to open it up. You could scroll through it and see all that. Now, specifically to edit the PDF, you would want to go ahead and just tap on it after you have it opened up and tap this little pen looking icon down in the bottom left to pull up a page that looks like this, where you could go ahead and draw all over it if you would like. It's completely up to you. You can also tap the plus icon down in the bottom to add shapes that you can resize and move freely, signatures that you can sign with your finger, and on top of that, if you tap the three dots up in the top right, you can go to the page section down here in order to go ahead and enter in a page number to jump instantly. Now, this one is only one page, so there's not too much on here. But whenever you're ready, you can share as a PDF or images in seconds just by selecting the three dots, scrolling down and selecting share to save it. Now, to scan documents, you would just select scan documents just like so. It'd pull up a page and then you just highlight the area just by holding your camera over that page and it's going to auto capture. Just tap that check mark to confirm it and the scan is going to be automatically saved as a PDF, where then you can go ahead and edit it if you choose to do so. But that is how you can use the preview app on an iPhone to edit PDFs, markup photos, and even scan files. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.